hi guys! Yan, sightseeing train po muna kami ngayon. Okay. Kasi gutom na kami, so we have to kill the time. Yeah. Once again guys, this is like my friends. Julie and Jay, and Puri and Tonleo. Tonleo, say hi! Yes. From China. So they are my co-teachers. Yeah. Saan ba yung ano? So mamaya na, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan yung ano nila. Gusto ko yung ano, gagayin ko na lang. Gagayin ko na lang. Yan. So guys, makikita natin yung view later on. Okay. Hindi kasi pwedeng mag-video kanina para sa may reaction na lakas na yan.
So we have the Statue of Liberty.
Yes.
So we have the Paris.
Yeah.
And the Italy.
Wow, so basically this is just like a tour around the world. Okay? And this is the pyramid.
Oh, we have the Cambodia.
From Cambodia, right?
Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat, yes, that one.
We have the
Great Wall of China. China. Yes. So the miniature Great Wall of China. So they have
the
it.
Thailand over there.
What's that? What? The Grand Palace?
Wat Abun.
Oh yeah.
Wat Abun.
Wat Amun. So that's like a temple. Wat means temple. So we learned a new vocabulary today. Huh?
How about Philippines?
Sorry, Miami, Philippines. May suway, Philippines, may suway. Just kidding, guys. So here.
Ay!
Yes. See that? Yeah.
Sobrang saya.
Train to Busan.
Train to Busan pa to? Naku
Yes,
po.
this is Train to Busan.
Yes, Train to Busan, guys. So tingnan niyo po yung ano namin. Yan. So we're under the shade of this wine. I don't know what kind of wine it is. Parang ang taba ko sa pinsano, no? Pero inano pa lang payat ko.
Uy! Napagkakamalan tayong mag-boyfriend ah.
Oo nga, is close na sa'yo. Hindi po. Yes. Like, na-meet ko po siya sa Lao. And then, naging friend. Oh, yeah, yes.
Guys.
Yeah. So, don't take it seriously. Giant house. That's the giant house. For sure. That's the 4D adventure. Yeah, we're going there later on. Yes, that one. So we have couples around here.
What's the price?
This is Photopia. So you can take pictures here, I guess. It's yeah. Wow. Giant vegetables and fruits. But this is real. You can eat this for like whole year. Yes, so like a garden.
40 talaga yung ano, no? Yung bayad dito.
Yes. So guys pala, ang bayad lang namin dito is 530. So really worth it. And now we're approaching a cave.
Underground?
Yes, it's an underground cave, right? Yeah. So here you can see they have like beautiful
Where
lights.
the Train of Busan starts.
Yes. So this is where the infection started. Okay, you see that light? Another one. spot the Speedy Mouse. Speedy Mouse.
Medyo natakot ka dyan ah.
Pero handa mo ako nun. Napasigaw lang. Hindi ko pa inaasahan yung pag-ibang kaya.
Ano ba kayo ibang rides? Ba't mo naman lodging?
Ayan.
Mamaya. Patay.
Pinagdaw mo sa rin. Pero huwag ka na sa makikikapan.
Hindi sasakay ako. Takot ako. Ay, hindi naman ako takot. Napapasigaw lang.
Okay.
Napapasigaw lang po. So we're finished.
So, we're having a...
Almost here.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Almost done. And tapos na po kami sa sightseeing train. This is sightseeing train. And now,
Are we going to?
yeah, see you later guys. Bye.